So you're in Outreach and you're going after different target accounts, and you need to find the right prospects to go after at those accounts. Flow, of course, can help. From within an account view, click on Flow, and you get a couple options. You can search for prospects using regular LinkedIn or using Sales Navigator. The steps are the same for both, so let's just start with regular LinkedIn. Finding the right people is as simple as doing a title search. Let's say I want VPs of sales. And since I cover this account globally, I'm going to keep my region global. And since I already have prospects at this account, I do want to make sure that I'm not pulling in any duplicates. So I'll leave check for duplicates on. Then I hit run stream. In real time, we're going to pull down results from LinkedIn to show you exactly who is still employed at this company and who also matches your title query. We're also going to show you a confidence score of if you actually already have this person in Outreach or not. Looks like there's a couple of VPs of sales that I want here. So I'm going to multi-select and then click to get all their contact information. When I get the results and I like what I see, I can click on Add New Contact and it goes right into Outreach. And here's Amy. Now I can sequence her.